We love experiencing new places, new vibes.
One place we wanted to check out was the Sugar Factory.
Ooh, the scenery was on point. It looked so nice.
They even had like,
it was a vibe.
Yeah, they had like people outside that some was like dressed up in characters. It's actually pretty cool.
What's up, y'all?
What's cracking?
It's Ray.
And Ty.
We're going to give y'all heads up on some stuff that we wish we would have known. I don't know if they gonna see us in the Sugar Factory again. Watch to the end of the video. If you have been, did you like it? Or if you plan to go,
right,
let us know.
It was Abel's birthday. That's one of the main reasons why we went. We ended up making like a reservation online for 10 people. We was coming in there lightweight deep.
We rushed from Boggy Creek there. Just to give y'all a heads up, make sure you come a little bit early because you will have to park and then walk to the restaurant. It is an icon park.
So another big thing is the candy shop. Another reason we wanted to go. And man, regular candy for expensive prices.
I believe my sister ended up spending about $20 something for a bag of candy that was about this full. They had flower walls. It was so cute. And they even had shake drinks on display. Don't get too excited because the one you want, they might not have it in stock.
Definitely call ahead and make sure they got what you actually want to eat.
When it came time for us to be seated, it didn't take that long for them to actually accommodate our party. I actually called to check how was the seating going to be. Like, were we going to be close to people or were we going to have like decent spacing? And they were like, oh no, you're going to have decent spacing.
Is there any way we can have this? That whole section? Yeah. No, man, we fully booked a reservation.
She was going to be having us sitting right next to a big party. So it was like a party on this side and a party on that side.
So everything is set up for a party of 8.
Okay, this is not one table.
Reservation, it says 8.
No, it says 10.
It says 10?
Yeah.
Okay, I can go ahead and verify.
She was about to seat us at a table for 8 when we actually requested a table for 10.
Apparently you didn't look at the reservation, you just assuming because the reservation said 10 people.
When we moved to the next table, it was like we had space for a little bit. We still all were nice enough to help her move our waters and stuff to the new table because they had made a mistake.
And we just nice like that. Well, first we had that little thing with the waiter, so that kind of threw the mood off a little bit. And then on top of that, like with the times we was in, it was like super crowded in there. Like it wasn't no fresh air flowing in there. The music loud.
To be honest, it is so loud in here. Literally.
It was just a lot going on, and I'm just like, oh my God, I don't even want to be here right now.
Oh, ask her waitress, can she put my stuff in the to-go box?
It was loud, barely had boundaries.
That was probably like they peak time.
I think it was definitely like a hot spot, just that area in general. I mean, you can clearly watch our video and kind of get a view of how the atmosphere is. Loud vibes where you be like, hey, yeah, how you like this food? It's good.
Let me get a fry.
Yeah.
Let me get one of your fries.
Right. When the waitress came to finally take our order, she was like, we're out of this. Wait a minute.
Y'all got?
Right.
Like,
what
you better
do y'all
off
have?
telling us what you got. So we ended up getting like the colorful burgers. We got fries.
Since they were out of like 90% of their menu. So for Ava, we really wanted a strawberry shortcake type of princess type of shape. The plan was to get that. We kind of created something where it was just a strawberry shake and then they put like the cotton candy sticks inside. It ended up being cheaper to do it that way anyways, but it still wasn't what we wanted.
So one thing that I did like though with the food they did have at least was like the little mini burgers. So, cause you know with kids, they love like little mini colorful burgers. So
right.
As y'all see, Ty Jr., he wasn't playing no games. He was in there smashing. Mostly eating the bread though, the top of the bread and them fries. Y'all see his face when he was eating them fries? He was eating them boys angry like,
Right.
I'm hungry. It's loud.
I believe it took a while for it to come out. Yeah, so he was hungry. And the fries, they were good and crunchy.
Yeah.
You know how you can go somewhere and it's like you go back there for the taste?
Right.
It's like that was a vibe where it's like I'm going back for the look.
Definitely was just more of an aesthetic, the look of it, because I don't even think it had like no seasoning on the burger.
Oh my gosh, it was hard to find help.
Like our waiter kind of like disappeared.
Oh my gosh.
So like we spilled the water with, I think probably Todd Jr. spilled the water or something like that. Like it wasn't even nobody to say like, hey, can we get some paper towels?
Did you go behind the thing and get some paper towels?
Like they literally was taking forever to bring the paper towels, kept walking past, so I just got up, went to where they was at, grabbed a bunch of
their
them.
work area. That's how bad it was.
Her burger is not cooked all the way. She told them she wanted well done. Mom told them they better come correct.
I mean, no pink.
Right, and guess what? It was hard to find somebody for that. We definitely couldn't find our waitress.
Oh my God.
So she had to end up asking a random person. She just called them while they were walking. Imagine biting into a burger and you thinking it's about to be done, and that boy is pink. Yuck.
Wait, is theirs done?
I had to go and test out they little burgers to
Right.
make sure those wasn't pink.
Right.
But which they wasn't though.
Once the manager or whoever he was end up coming over, one thing I can say is they did end up docking the bill and they gave her a properly cooked burger. So that was a good resolution, because they could have just been rude and not handled the situation.
So another thing that we figured out too, y'all know we was there for her birthday.
Yes.
And they knew it was for her birthday, which means we was coming there because you know they sing like, I guess you could pick a song from a list.
Yes.
And they bring out a cake and the waiters, they come out, turn up a little bit. But we figured out that in order to do that, we had to order a certain item, a certain solid. And guess what was on that list? Of course, the shakes that they didn't have. We literally had to pay for like a separate piece of cake just to be able for them to sing the song. That was like irritating for real.
Even if you make a reservation for a birthday, and even if you tell them it's somebody's birthday, make sure that you pay attention. If they don't bring you a song list and if you don't order a dessert, they're not planning to sing happy birthday to you. So you better speak up. Don't assume you're just going to be able to pick whatever song you want, because there's literally a list of songs that you have to pick from.
It sucks because they ain't had none of my songs on there, so we had to settle.
Ava had to go to the bathroom. The plug was in the bathroom. She had wipes, candy, pads. Oh my gosh.
Just know it ain't free.
Right.
Don't let them hate it, ain't nothing. Just keep going hard, keep it buzzing. But we was broke and never had our hand out to know. In other words, we don't owe no. I watch your back and find a way to grow with you. Our kids who want for nothing, I put that on soul.
Some of the main things we took away from going there: be ready for the noise.
Right.
Just go ahead, prepare yourself.
Definitely get there a little early so you can find parking.
So if you're there to celebrate somebody's birthday, make sure you ask your waiter or waitress, hey, what can I order that y'all can end up bringing out later to sing happy birthday? Make sure you ask them for the song list too, so you can go ahead and, you know, just start picking what song so they can go ahead and have that for you too.
To make sure whatever you plan on going there to eat, call ahead of time to make sure that they got it in stock.
Hope that you get a waiter who actually cares to come back and check on you. A good waiter is going to be there because they understand that their tip kind of plays a part in them being there for you.
I don't even think people helped us. We had to
help ourselves.
Where you
right,
going?
like,
Please
hey,
help me. I need some water. Refill. Paper towels.
And you got up and danced. He said, "Gang." He's asking you.
He said, "Hey."
Okay.
He already eating with the name.
What? Get that from him. That's dangerous.
Excuse me.
What you need?
Ketchup and barbecue sauce.
Where's our person? She
Swerve.
One more time.
Swerve. Ooh, it's almost the almost too. Here. Swerve. Got a little taste.
TJ be smashing.
You know he want to bite the tops of the hamburgers off.
Excuse you. Can we have ketchup and barbecue sauce together?
And boxes.
Oh,
Did she eat it?
Oh my God. I feel like
Would you go back again? Would you recommend it?
I probably wouldn't go back again because, you know what I'm saying, that ain't just not my type of vibe. I'm more so of like, goddamn, be quiet. Know what I'm talking about? Know what I'm saying? Play a little music and everybody, you know what I'm saying? You can be grooving to it, but just don't have it too loud where I can't have no regular conversation.
I feel the same way, and it kind of seems like it's a little too much going on in there to really be able to, like,
Enjoy it.
yeah. Would I recommend them to somebody else? If you're able to actually get the stuff you really want to try there,
Yeah.
and you don't mind, you know, that type of vibe that they offer, like kind of more of a, you know, party type of atmosphere where it's like you really going there to kind of dance and be like, yeah.
Eat your food.
But if you going there to actually be like, how was your day? You better not go there, or y'all gonna be yelling at each other. If you like trying new places and experiencing new vibes, make sure y'all go ahead and like this video and subscribe, because we'll definitely be having more, because we are about our family and business.
Hello.
So when we're not working, we're playing, and actually sometimes we be playing while we're working. But so make sure y'all stay tuned.
Learn some real estate stuff too. Learn how to build something, fix something.
Yes.
Stay tuned, baby.